Well, my friends, it is Stampin' Die Hard Club time. What is in the mystery envelope? Are you ready? I am so excited about this, you guys, because this one is a doozy. It really, really, really is a doozy. And free gift. Oh yeah, for Stamp and Die Hard Club members. Free gift, and a special surprise. Wait, there's a free gift and a special surprise? What is she talking about? Let's jump in. There's so much in here, you guys. First of all, let's go ahead and look at the stamp set first. Are you ready? Are you on your marks? Get set. Chocolate strawberries to stamp. There is nothing better in this world than a chocolate covered strawberry. Pretty much nothing, except maybe just a whole chocolate candy bar. I don't know. But look at this, you guys. So we have 4 different chocolate covered strawberries. We have wishing you a berry sweet and chocolatey day. Wishing you a berry-licious birthday. You are so berry awesome. May your day be dipped in deliciousness. And little stamps to add decorations to your strawberries. And really small, you are so very berry sweet. Little tiny stamps that I literally just kind of snuck in there. Now, if you're a Stamp Club member, you are getting this 4x6 made in the United States, high quality photopolymer stamp set mailed to you automatically with the handy dandy postcard. Where is that handy dandy? Oh, here it is. Here is the handy dandy postcard. Now, there's lots and lots of more ideas on our website, of course, but here's a couple to get you started and the add-on items that are optional purchases. So Stamp Club members, you're getting that with the freebie and the extra thing. But a lot of you are like me and you're like, I love those stamps, but there is no way in the world I am gonna die cut those baby. I mean, I'm gonna cut those stamps out with scissors. Scissors are a bad word when there's a die cut, right? Here we go. Here are the coordinating dies that match. Now, not only do we give you the shadow dies, because of course you need the shadow dies, we also give you the inside dies. So if you don't like shadows on your stamped images, guess what, you guys? You also get the dies on the inside to die cut those. So you won't have a shadow. So the choice is all up to you. It's all about options, right? You're getting those strawberries and you're getting the little like chocolate drizzle on there as well. So much fun. So Die Hard Club members, you're getting this and the card and the freebie and the other weird thing that's in there. I can't wait to show you. You're getting all of that. I will be honest, you guys, this is our most popular club. By far, the entire 14 years, well, we didn't have the Die Hards back then, but as soon as we started the Die Hard Club, it has been our most popular club the entire time. Now, what else is in the envelope? I don't know. Well, I don't know what I should show you first. I'll show you this, the freebie. This is a freebie, my friends, you cannot buy. And if you like these chocolate strawberries, you must join the club so you get this freebie. Hopefully I have some freebies left. Of course, all of my club members automatically are getting the freebie. Are you ready? It is a stencil. It's a stencil that goes with your strawberries. So now you can do some extra shading. We have the tops are separate. You have different sizes for the seeds, the chocolates, the dots. Lots and lots of fun options on this one. You guys, you cannot buy this. You cannot buy the stencil. It is free only to my Stamp and Die Hard Club members. So if you're not in the club, get in now. You'll get free gifts for joining, but you'll also get this one while supplies last, just saying. Now, if that wasn't enough, and first of all, why am I giving you a freebie? 1, because I love you. I love all my club members. But 2, because it's Christmas time, and why not show my love to you by giving you a freebie? Just a little surprise, you're getting a freebie next month too. You know, it's kind of fun when you own the company because you can kind of do whatever you want. Are you ready? There's one more thing. There's one more thing in here, you guys. Look at this cute little postcard. Now, if you saw my Fold It Club, you kind of have an idea of what this is. There's something special on the back that I will not talk about, but guess what? You're going to want it. Do not share it with anyone. Do not share it with anyone. But on the front, so what's on the back is very, very important. But what's on the front is if you cut it right on this side of the dotted line, you will have the perfect card front. So you will have the perfect card front, which is really exciting because if you need a fast card, boom, there you go. Isn't that stand of strawberries really cute? Gosh, I wish that was a stamp. Sending you sweet wishes. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love it. Now, let's look at the samples because you know my design team is amazing. Yes, it's that many syllables. Ready? Look at this. First of all, here we go on our cupcake 3 fold it. Look at how yummy those strawberries look. Look at how you can color it with the inks with that stencil. That stencil really adds. And here you go, wishing you a berrylicious birthday. Who doesn't want a cupcake with strawberries on it? Chocolate covered. Yum. Here's a gorgeous one using 3D ink. Cheryl made this one. Look at that fun grid in the background. What grid is that? Oh, I don't know what grid number it is. Oh, it's the flower vine grid in the A2 card set. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Open it up. Oh, may your day be as sweet as chocolate covered strawberries. Love it. So first of all, we can use them on an A2 card. We could use it on a shaped card, a folded card, or we could use it on our tag card. Look at this. Put a little gift card in there and look at how cute those are on there. We could also do it on an A1 card base. This is our top fold A1 card base. So cute. Or you could do it on a regular A2. Look at that. Look at the background. Stamped very, very lightly in pink. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. Here's one, a set on a 5. This is a sneak peek. Sneak peek alert on a 5x7. Sneak peek alert. Let me just tell you. Or on a slim line. Lots of options, you guys. Lots and lots of options on these. And here it is on an A2. So cute. Love it. And oh my goodness, I love the background. Loving the background. Make your own background. Isn't that beautiful? Wishing you a berrylicious birthday. Now, my friends, I saw a couple sneak peeks in here, just saying. So you need to go check out the next video because if you're in my Stampin' Die Hard Club, you are definitely wanting to see the add-on items that are listed on that postcard. Now, if you're watching this video on YouTube or Facebook, I want to make sure that if you're on YouTube, you click that subscribe button that's in the corner and click that little bell so you will get notifications when we go live and do our live fun things or when we release a new video. And if you're on Facebook, make sure you check out the links below on Facebook and on YouTube so you can find out the information about these products. You guys, so much fun. Stampin' Die Hard Club members, your items are already on their way to you. You do not have to wait. They're on their way to you. I cannot wait to get them. I cannot wait until you get them because they are amazing. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.